Good morning, YouTube. Good afternoon. Nissan Rogue, door switch, window switch, driver's side. Well, now it's going to work, but this lock button sometimes works and sometimes don't. So I'm going to replace it. I looked up all the information. This is the replacement switch. Automatic window for driver's side, not automatic window for passenger side. There's a difference in the switches. If you look up one, make sure you get the matching switch with the automatic windows up and down. This is the part number X004DK3EOD off of Amazon. This came with the tool, with the switch, window switch. I wouldn't use it. It bends, too flexible. It's not enough strength to pry it off. So I use this thing here. Just pop it out. It's easy to pop out. I'm always nervous I'm gonna rip the panel or something. Boom, it's out. And you want to push in right there to release the pigtail. Push in and out. Then we'll flip it around. Push in right here to release it. Always one gives me issues. Go. Out with the old. You can hear it broke. I almost didn't even take this panel off. Really, pull up on that, that one and that one, and this will slide out. There it goes. That's the old. Just plug them back up. I was gonna try to make this a quick video, make it a short. I'm trying to get monetized, and I don't know which way to go, is with shorts or video. This one's gonna be a video, and I'll make a short later. Let's see if it works. Automatic window down, automatic window up. Uh-oh. Well, shoot. I thought I bought the wrong switch. The windows lock was on. Ooh, that was scary. Up and down, up and down, up and down. All windows work. Turn it back off. And to put it back in, you want to point this first, like that. And then I go at an angle to pop it back into place. Just like that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please comment. If you have anything to say, I welcome your comments. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Oh yeah, happy Halloween. Comment if you'd like me to show you how to do a blower motor on a Nissan Rogue. This is just a picture of part of the installation. Please comment and let me know, yes or no. Thank you.